Hi everyone, this is Lucy. Today I'm making something that I have never done before. It's Orzo pasta with shrimps. For this recipe I'm going to be using whatever I have on hand. I have the shrimps that are already cooked and all I have to do is sprinkle salt and pepper and a little bit of lemon juice and let them marinate. I'm cooking the pasta in 4 cups of boiling water with salt and a little bit of olive oil for 9 minutes and immediately drain. On high temperature on my stove using my biggest frying pan, I'm going to saute 1 small red onion in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to sprinkle salt and pepper to my onion. Let it become translucent and then I'm going to add 3 minced garlic cloves. Let it cook for a minute and then add 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and this is optional. Then I'm going to add 6 to 8 diced cherry tomatoes. I'm cutting the tomatoes in halves. Then I'm adding diced sun-dried tomatoes, and this is completely optional. I have them in my pantry, so this is a good opportunity to use them. You can also use raisins. I am also adding 1 tablespoon of dry white wine and 4 tablespoons of chicken broth. Instead of white wine, you can use vinegar. I'm adding baby spinach to the recipe. The amount of spinach is up to you. All depends how much you like spinach in your dish. Once the spinach is wilted, I'm going to add 3 or 4 diced basil leaves. You can also use cilantro instead of basil. Then I'm adding my shrimps. The shrimps are already cooked, so I'm just making sure they get the flavor of the dish. And then I'm adding the Orzo pasta, which was already drained after it boiled for 9 minutes. With my stove still in high temperature, I'm mixing everything well together until my dish is complete. Then turn off the stove and serve while it's hot. Sprinkle some grated Italian cheese over the pasta. And that's it for today's recipe. Don't forget that the ingredients and steps to take for this recipe are in the description below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones. Bye bye.